Check out what just came in the mail. This is the new Yotta Credit Card. So I got early access to this as a beta user. So what we're gonna do in today's video, first of all, I haven't activated the card yet, so we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna go out and make our first purchase. Who knows, maybe it's 100% reimbursed by Yotta. Their credit card and their debit card have what are called lucky swipes. So some percent of your purchases are 100% paid for by Yotta. We're gonna go through that and all the other benefits of this card later on in the video. But first of all, let's get the card activated and make a purchase. To activate the card, let's open up the Yotta app. Go over to card. Let's click on my beautiful pink credit card. And if we scroll down, activate the card. This will enable transactions with your physical card at merchants and ATMs. Activate. Your physical card is now activated. Close that. Okay, so the card is now activated. Let's take the card and go make a purchase. So first transaction with the Yotta card complete. A couple of bonus points for Yotta right now. So I'm currently in our Mexico City office. I went out to OXXO, kind of a similar to 7-Eleven here. First of all, no foreign transaction fees. And second of all, purchase in a foreign country was not declined. I didn't have to call them, do anything else. And it went through perfectly. Now let's talk about the benefits of this credit card and who I think it's for. Build your credit, no interest, no fees. Your credit limit is simply your Yotta balance. 20% tickets back for every $5 you spend. Get a ticket in next week's weekly contest. Only upside, so never lose tickets in an active contest when you use your card. So if you're not familiar with Yotta, it's a prize-linked account where based on your balance, you get a certain number of tickets in the weekly drawing where you can earn from 10 cents to a free Tesla or even $10 million. If you want to learn more about how the account works and see my review, check out the video above right here. Free stuff, up to 1 in 50 chance to get the item you just bought for free. Let me show you more about how this works within the Yotta app. Click on the card icon in the bottom middle and then click on the credit card. The lucky swipes, you can see right now I have 1 in 50 chance. It could either be 1 in 75 or 1 in 100. Let's learn more. So regular odds 1 in 100. If you have direct deposit set up, which I don't yet, it would be automatically 1 in 75 for the credit card launch. So until May 1st, also 1 in 75 for everybody, and card referral boost. So I have a couple of referrals with Yotta right now, so that's what gives me the 1 in 50 odds. And then if we scroll down a little bit further, you see right now they have a category boost. So when making a purchase at a restaurant, you also get 1 in 50 odds. Then you see right here, lucky deal. So these are certain deals with specific companies that they have. So I think the everywhere ones tend to be a little low, so 1 in 100. So this is actually lower than what you would get just normally with the card. If you click on online, what you're gonna see is you see some better ones of 1 in 5, 1 in 6, 1 in 8, 1 in 11. So it's worth kind of checking this every once in a while to see if there are companies where you're thinking about making a purchase from or you regularly purchase from where you can get good odds and have a decent shot of having your purchase reimbursed. Now let's get back to the rest of the benefits. Spending bonus. Spend $2,000 in your first 4 months and get 2,000 bonus tickets. Don't worry, all the thing with the tickets and the lucky swipes, I ran an analysis and I'll go through that in more detail in just a second. Get a premium metal card when you have 10 plus referrals. Well, Yotta, I do have 10 plus referrals and this is not metal. As soon as you have them ready, please send one my way. If you're interested in creating an account with Yotta, you can get 100 free tickets in our weekly drawing by using my referral link down below in the description. Now let's check out what the credit card looks like within the Yotta app. So you can see here, available to spend, that's just my Yotta balance. Below that, you have the card balance. Then you have the progress on spending $2,000 and getting 2,000 bonus tickets, lucky swipes, and lucky deals we talked about already. Then you have the tickets earned. You can see that I have 0.2 tickets so far. So I spent around $1 and I need to spend $5 to get a ticket in the weekly drawing. I could show the card numbers, the card settings. So you can lock the card, allow foreign transactions I have turned on. So that's probably why the transaction wasn't declined. If we look at random rewards, you can get either lower or higher tickets back from 1 to 40% for credit cards, as opposed to just 20%. So you can turn that on if you want. I would just stick with the normal 20%. You can set transaction limits, a daily transaction limit, or you could make a payment. So nothing's due quite yet. The card benefits, so this is just everything we ran through already. You can see the lucky swipe stats. So as I spend money, if something gets reimbursed, that's going to show up here so you can track your free purchases. make a payment. There's no payment due yet, but you would do that right there and show your payment history. And down below that, you have the transaction history. Are you interested in automating your finances? Do you want to set it and forget it? We have a free course that'll walk you through step-by-step how to do just that. If you're interested in signing up, check out the link in the description below. So as promised, my analysis of this credit card. So you can see here, earn tickets from spending. So what happens is the average earnings per ticket is what I'm currently earning from Yotta right now. So I updated this at the end of February. So here are all the weeks of drawing. So in total, I've had 14,465 tickets and earned $70. So that gives me an average per ticket of 0.49 cents or $0.0049 per ticket. So that's where I got this first number. And the tickets you get based on your spending. So you get 20% of your tickets back. So if I spent $20, I would get 20 tickets. So 20 times this amount equals almost 10 cents. So you see that is a 0.1% return when getting the tickets back based on your spending. Then we have the spend $2,000 and get 2,000 tickets. So again, the average earnings per ticket's the same. Spend $2,000, 100% back, you get 2,000 tickets. So the expected return for that would be $4.78, which is 0.49% return on that first $2,000 of spending in 4 months. Then down below, we have the lucky swipe returns. So as you make purchases, the chance that the entire purchase is paid for. So what we're going to assume in this video is all the purchases are for $20. Obviously, you could get lucky and pay for your rent or something and have that free. But we're just going to say all the transactions are the same and your chance of getting one of those paid for. So if you have no direct deposit, your transactions or your odds are 1 in 100. So you have 100 transactions, you would spend $2,000. One of those would be free. So a free $20, that is 1% cash back. If we add the 0.1%, that's 1.1% cash back. If you have direct deposit set up for Yotta, your odds are 1 in 75. So here we make 75 purchases, $1,500, get $20 free. That's 1.33% cash back plus the 0.1%, and we have 1.43%. If you have a referral or the promotion category and you have 1 in 50 odds, so you make 50 purchases, spend $1,000, get $20 free, and that's 2% cash back. So if you have a referral or you're making purchases that are odds of 1 in 50, then you're getting over 2% cash back, the average for the best credit cards that give you a flat rate on all of your spending. Then you have the lucky swipes for the online deals we went through really quickly. So here I just put 1 in 20. Obviously they had some companies that were as low as 1 in 5, some were over 1 in 20, but just as a ballpark, if you find something in the kind of the lucky categories or the companies that have promotions, then this is 5% cash back. With the 0.1, you get 5.1% cash back. For me, this card makes a lot of sense for 2 particular audiences. The first of which is someone who's looking to build or rebuild their credit score. So cards available to someone in this situation are secured cards where you have to deposit money, lock it up for 12 months or longer. And usually those cards have no benefits, no cash back, no points or anything else. So compared to secured cards or the Chime Credit Builder, I think this card blows both of them out of the water. You're getting decent cash back where you're going to get a certain percent of your purchases reimbursed 100%, plus you're getting tickets in the weekly drawings. The second type of person I think the card makes a lot of sense for is someone that wants to have fun. There's some entertainment value to it. It's not just getting 2%, 3%, 4% cash back on your purchases. You could have your purchase 100% paid for, you could win a free Tesla or a bunch of other prizes. So there's always a little bit of fun to everything Yotta does, from their prize link savings account, their debit card. There's just an added kind of thrill factor to, hey, maybe I win $10 million today. So those are my initial thoughts on the Yotta credit card. If you want to learn more about other products that Yotta offers, check out the video up above right here. If you want to see how Yotta compares to the best banks in 2022, check out the playlist below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.